Hey guys, welcome back to Sigma Dog 6741, and today I'm at my church. Hold on a second. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. That was my dad, and I forgot my iPad at my house, so I had to borrow my mom's phone. So we are gonna be stuck with a bit better quality camera this time. Sorry about that. That was my dad again, but yeah. Sorry about all the pausing. There's a bunch of people that keep coming in here. So I'm starting off from the panel. Here it is. Here it's I actually do know quite a lot about fire alarms. I'm not that stupid. So like I know it's like one of got a notifier system. Past inspection right there. This was in trouble before. It's like beeping. My dad actually caught that on video. But coming out soon, but yeah. So that's the panel in there, and here's the pull stations. I'm not gonna pull it though, because I'm not that stupid. Notifier BT12. One of these types of exit signs that doesn't glow, because those are boring. I mean, this is one of those newer churches in my area. Here's a fire extinguisher. It's like a see, for some reason these doors don't have pull stations next to them, but they do have exit signs above. So, show you. Yeah. Here's one of the notifier adjustable detectors. Oh, I was not looking where I was going. I guess I can be a little stupid sometimes, but yell at me at the comments all you want. Got fire sprinklers, fire extinguisher again. You can hear the voice over the speaker. Right here we got a system sensor white spectrum advance up there. Oh, I put it in 0.5. Oopsies. Actually, I am gonna put it in 0.5. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Now I probably grossed all you out. Show you something. This right here, I believe, is my mom's classroom. Yes, it is. So yeah, there's kids in the hallways. That's why I'm looking at the ceiling. In case some of them don't want to be in my video. You can hear them. Advanced fire exit sign. I can hear talking. Here's one of the other pull stations right there. In here. There. One of my friends and their mom and the librarian at my school in there in the same church ward. Talking about my mom. Just talking about stuff, and middle school is going for me. It's going good for me. So yeah. I'll get through the last few, you know. So here, I'm not gonna go in the chapel or the gym. Mainly because my dad said I can't go in there. But like, I don't even want to go in there. All the fire alarms in this building are the same. Advance over there. Yeah, I do know my fire alarm models and stuff. Got another H12. So yeah, now let's teleport back to the panel. Teleported. I'm Enderman from Minecraft. As you can see, system all normal. Well, that's gonna be it, guys. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.